November 19th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Gabby takes an 8-minute break after every 32 minutes of study. Nick takes a 5-minute break after every 45 minutes of study. Are their ratios of study time to break time equivalent? So here's what we need to do. First of all, we need to set them equal to each other. So Gabby takes an 8-minute break. So I set up a table. If you want to look at it with the table, you can. If you want to look with the butterfly, that's fine as well. So 8-minute break. Gabby takes an 8-minute break for 32 minutes of study. 32 minutes of study. And then Nick takes a 5-minute break for 45 minutes of study. All right, so we're going to see if these ratios are equal. So we can set up 8/5 or 8 to 5, and then 32. Whoop, maybe not. Let's put this one back here. All right, so 32 to 45. Do you see how I set that up? You can set it up the other way. You can set it up 8 over 32 equals 5 over 45. That's fine as well. But that's fine as well. So let's do what we have here. 8 times 45. If I do 8 times 45, if you do 8 times 45, you're going to get 360. So if you do 8 times 45, you can do that. You can also do it on the side. If I do a little 45 times 8, there we go. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 4 is going to be 32 plus 4 is going to be 36. So that's where we get our 360. All right, and then 32 times 5. Do you see how I also have it set up here? If I put that in front, bring to front. If I put this up here, look, that's also using our butterfly. All right, so 5 times 32, or if I do 32 times 5, 32 times 5, whoop, 5 times 2 is going to be 10. You can carry that 1, drop that 0. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So that would be 160. So 160, are those equivalent? Is 160 and 360 the same thing? No, it's not. So our answer here is going to be no. They're not equivalent. So I'm going to put no. So that's it for our DMR. That's all. Great job.